Hello, everyone, and good morning. Guys, good morning.
Morning.
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Guys, I
Good
hope
morning.
I hope you are very excited because this is the final day for our batch 37. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep. Okay. And some people will say, because why we have to be excited for the final day? Right? It's the last day, right? Correct? No, it's not a last day. I'm telling you the final day because some final interview tips and tricks which I would like to deliver to you guys. Okay. If you will see here in my screen, okay, you will able to see that some pro tips and tricks I would like to share with you guys. Okay. And yes, definitely in this day, I would like or I'm very excited to see you on the camera. Not only me, I want everyone to see each other. Okay, the reason behind it, at least you know each other, because from the last how many days or how many months?
55 days,
55 days
around
is a class number. Okay, excluding
uh,
Saturday, Sunday, excluding any everything, right?
3 months.
3 months, yes, from the last 3 months we are learning together, correct? And how's your experience? What do you say?
Amazing.
Amazing. Only one word. Okay. Yeah, one word is more than enough. I agree. What about others?
That's
Hmm?
very fantastic.
Very fantastic. Ethio is telling very fantastic. Cool. Thank you. What about others? Yes, what about others, please? Or you don't have any words? Good, good. Amit, in the last batch, Amit told Vikas, I will tell in the next batch. Amit, yes, this is the next batch, which is also
You,
completed.
you remember my words.
I remember everyone's each and every word, because that's my responsibility, correct? Because what I committed to anyone, it's my responsibility to remember each and everything. Cool.
Yep, learned lot of things. Okay, let me break the chain. Okay, it was a great sessions. Okay, learned lot of new things as I'm from different background. I entered into a new stream. Okay, so that is a good session, and I'm hopeful that everyone learned a lot from Vikas. Okay. I'm again because I'm going to join your next session also because some of the concepts are missing. I'm super lagging behind in a couple of the concepts, so I'll be there. So don't worry. I'll give you this feedback in the next session also. Don't worry.
But see, 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 some people will complain because 3 months is too much. But see, you feel some people feel that, yeah, if we revise it, if we will do 2 times, there may be more chances to make our package double or
Yeah.
triple. What do you say, guys? Are you agree?
Yes.
Concept
Yeah.
actually what
Okay.
happened, this is my understanding. Sometimes it's if you miss to grab the concept or catch the concept, so you have a backend time to go through and learn it, and you can recycle the I know that rewinding the wheel is the same story, but yeah, it's gonna help you a lot. The concepts and all is gonna help you for sure. That's my
I agree.
understanding.
I agree. Absolutely agree. Absolutely agree. Yes, it happens. Okay, if we learn twice, yes, it will be, your confidence will be double. Simple. Okay. So
True.
yes, from my side, yes, I'm always telling that I'm providing a two batches. The reason behind it, because in one batch, any reason came, right? Your marriage came, any function came, anything came, okay? Or your office shift change or whatever it is, it's okay, acceptable, okay? Revision is, I don't want to stop you for the revision, okay? So yes, two batches are acceptable, okay? Good, thank you. Okay, what about others, guys? What do you feel? Yes, no,
Yes, better.
better. That's it. What else?
Mm,
Chalo, leave it. No worries. I will come up. Yeah, I will come up with the presentation only. You have asked a lot of questions. I have given a lot of answers, right? But today, my time, I will ask some questions and you will give the answer. What do you say?
If
yes.
you able to.
Yes. Yeah, definitely you will able to. Okay. It's not much technical things. Okay. Technically
You're
things
not
we have
gonna.
learned. Okay. Now, what's your feedback?
It's a great experience. We have
Happy?
learned more.
Happy?
Yeah,
Super
absolutely
happy?
happy. Super happy.
whatever I committed on the day one or before the day one, I fulfill that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I told that I will deliver this, I will deliver that. Okay. Whatever I have mentioned into the roadmap or tracking sheet. Okay. I have completed each and everything. Okay. Whatever we have decided from the day one to day 30 or day 51, whatever we have decided, we have completed everything. And after that, we are just discussing this part. Correct? Yes or no? The SecOp, if someone will say, Vikas, SecOp is pending, I agree. Okay. Yes, SecOp is pending. Okay. SecOps plus some new projects plus some AI related things is also pending. Okay. So it's not a one day. It's you have to again give me a 1 week of time. Okay. Not immediately after 1 week, after 2 weeks, I will invite you again some 1 week of sessions. Okay. And we will discuss that all things. Okay, but first digest this part. The digestion is also important. What do you say?
Yes.
Right? And learnings never end. So if you want, let us assume any package number, any number, any average number of package. What will be the average?
20.
NLP.
20.
Our batch, how much will be the average package? Because someone will go beyond, or someone will be on the average. What will be the average package can come for our batch?
At least 13 to 15 should come
14 to 15 should come. Okay.
because most of the
No pressure. Where is
Because
pressure?
that package,
Pressure.
10 LPA.
the 20 package, 40 package, is that
Minimum
is
10 LPA.
See. Itya, we are
Is that-
talking about the Indian MNC's package.
okay.
Okay, but you can't.
Each of $1.
So like how much is 40 package? Is that for a year or
For the 1 year, 40 lakhs per year. Okay, and for you,
how much is that in dollars? How much is that in dollars?
course year,
That is gonna be
5,000.
approx. If you talk about 40 lakhs in INR, it's gonna be 30, 60, approx 80 lakhs approx $80,000 approx Nitya.
Yes, yes.
no more than that, Amit, more than that.
More than
Approx 80 if we take at 80 average of
if
that.
anyone in the US, UK, 80 is very standard. Okay, very minimal we can say. Okay, so $150,000 we can say. Or
No, 150 is more than that. 150K is more amount. If you divide it with 86 now, a dollar is 86. So it's I just took as an 80 kind of.
calculation will not
it's-
work for the US people. I will show that also. Okay, no need to worry with you. It's okay. It's more than enough, more than average. Okay, more than average. In India, standard is for the other profile. I can say how much is the other profile package, guys? Are you good?
10,
10, 15,
15.
right? Right.
15.
And I can say that you can go beyond that. Okay, or double also. 20, 25, 30 is easy. Okay, at this point. Cool. Okay. And is anything from this is pending, which I haven't covered? Anything? No, right? Yes, no.
everything covered. Everything covered.
Everything covered. Thank you.
Uh,
Cool.
we marked couple of reds in the start of it.
Amit,
Is
3 days before, last Friday only we have put it into the notepad.
very good. That's fine there.
3-4 days,
That's
last Friday only it was done. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool. Okay. And guys, I would like to take your feedback. Okay. I'm just giving you one of the form. Okay. Please take your time and fill it. It will be helpful for me, helpful for others. Okay. And this form, I'm telling you, this is for regular batch 37 student. If someone is 38, it's okay. If you attended, it's okay. If someone is 36 also, if you attended the batch 37, you can fulfill this. Okay. Not a problem. Okay. And just FYI, 5 is good, 1 is not good. Okay, cool. Here, and after that, yes, 5 is good and 1 is not good. Okay, don't say ek number because some Indian people say ek number is very good. Okay,
Right.
no, the form is reverse in the reverse order. Okay, because we have to rate ourselves in that way that how much you are good. Correct, out of 5, out of 10. So we have created in the same way. Okay. If you have any future feedback, yes. If you would like to refer your friends also, yes, no, whatever you feel, you can upload it.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's telling me I need access
Which access?
to fill the Google Forms.
I don't think so. I have not shared. I don't think so. Access is required. You can directly open it. It will work.
The same thing for me as well. I
It is
requested
X.
access.
It is access. It is asking access.
Mm-hmm.
1 second. Let me make it public.
Shared me email.
No. I don't think. 1 second. 1 second. It's preview mode. I think. Published.
For everyone, it's asking.
1 second. 1 second. Let me check it. What about now? Form should be public. I think. I'm always sure.
Restricted.
Okay. 1 second. Really, forms are.
Responsible.
Editor view, I think it was editor view.
I can give.
Yes.
Really?
Editor view restricted, I think.
No. Editor is okay.
Huh.
But no.
Responder should be no.
Correct. Responder with the link.
Responder should be everyone.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Correct. Copy responder. Okay. Now this will be the link for you guys.
Yeah,
Yep,
now
it's working.
Good.
it's
Thank
working.
you. Good. Thank you. Please, guys, fulfill this. Okay. If you want to write your name, well and good. If you don't want to write your name, it's okay. Okay. Type ABC 1, 2, 3. Okay. Or don't write others' name. Okay. But please, it doesn't matter. Okay. But it will be helpful for us. Okay. Whatever you feel like it, please fill it. Okay. Cool. I will give a time. No worries. Okay. And this is my day again. Okay. So I would like to ask you, how many times the class got late? Tell me. Or I send, let's join after
Never.
2 minutes after.
No.
Never.
Never, right? None
No,
of the
never.
single minute also, correct?
Yes.
And there may be chances I was the first person before everyone, correct? Or there are some students who joined too early. Okay. Javed, yes, today also 5 minutes early. Okay. Yes, it happened. Yes, class never get late. Any practical failed, which I have showed or which anything. No, right? And around 30 practicals we did. Any practical which is like unexpected kind of thing or any unreal kind of thing?
No.
No, right? All good. If you feel that you want to add some more new projects, okay, or new something which you get it over the internet or anywhere, okay, so you can let me know. I will add it into the syllabus also because every time I am doing the same. Okay. Any technical failure or any session failure kind of thing that, okay, today no electricity, no internet or XYZ, any reason,
No.
anything?
No.
No?
No.
Thank you. Any session, I give any excuse that no, today I'm not in a mood, I'm not happy or whatever it is. Any excuse.
No.
Any excuse for any technical question also.
No.
No? Pakka? Cool, thank you. Or none of the session got cancelled suddenly that, okay, today we don't have any class. Right? We have decided,
No.
we have planned it, and then we have taken a leave. Agree?
Yes.
And leaves are really required, 1 or 2 leaves. I think how many leaves we've taken overall in the 3 months of duration? Digestion leave? How many?
5-6 days.
By joining, we have 4 leaves. I think.
4, 5 leaves we have taken. Okay. That 5 leaves are a digestion leave. Okay. Because sometime in between the project, I intentionally take one project on Friday. I intentionally take one project on Monday because I want to give a leave to you guys. Correct. Or sometimes it's required that if I will put everything in a straightforward order, there may be chances Terraform answer will come in Ansible classes. Agree? Yes or no? So that's why this is the reason where that's why I given 4 to 5 days. Okay, cool. I agree. Okay. Yep. And how's the teaching or mentorship quality?
Great. Excellent.
Very satisfied.
Satisfied?
Great, sir.
Everyone? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great, sir.
Yeah, it was good.
And whatever you are, any technical, non-technical, whatever you are, it's fulfill you. Or because some people has 8 years, 10 years of experience. When I talk in the starting, okay, sir, I'm very much worried. Lot of things are there. I told just learn it and then we will talk it again one more time. Okay. So what's your overall experience? Naveen, you are a senior person. I just want to listen with you. See, it's helpful for the senior because sometimes people say that is this course for fresher or is this course for experienced person? Even I was not. I'm able to answer. I give all the answers. But if some student will say, experienced person will say this is helpful for experience also, it will matters, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
Naveen,
sir.
what do you say? What's your comment?
It was a good experience, sir, because before that I was working, but things were disordered. Okay, now everything is ordered, sir. Now, now everything's ordered. Every tool, everything's and look, everything is in order, sir.
Okay, cool.
I have brushed up many more things, and from the basic and stress level that you have teach us.
Correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any words for Vikas? If you know this person, Vikas.
Any word for that? Awesome.
Like I don't have word.
You're a good mentor, sir.
It's a great person.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, cool. Chalo, we will discuss into the tips and tricks. But guys, before that, I would like to listen you the feedback. Okay, and then I have lot of things to deliver to you also as a tips and tricks. Okay, be strong in the practicals, be strong in the fundamentals. We'll discuss everything. Okay, I need your 30 more minutes. Okay, and do you know the star interview method? Have you heard about this?
Star interview method.
Anu is telling yes. Anu, what is that? Have you heard about this name? Anu, you're on mute, I think. You are not on mute, but we are not able to hear you. Yeah, now it's okay. Guys, anyone heard about this star interview method? No, never tried for 40 lakh or beyond 40. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Okay, chalo. We will talk about the is a primarily is happen into the Amazon. Okay, and I would like to explain you what exactly it is. What does star mean? Okay, and manager related tips and tricks. Okay, and how to do the salary negotiation that we will also talk. Okay, before the interview, how you have to be ready, be prepared. Okay, and after the interview or during the interview, what you have to do it. Okay, and after completing your interview or how the interview should go proper, you have to. We will discuss that also. Okay, and after the interview how you will make it to the success to the offer letter, because see sometimes it's our responsibility also came into the picture that because of our responses, after clearing the technical round the offer letter comes, right? Yes or no? Because we made it some mistakes into some things and in the documents or something xyz, it can be xyz reason. Don't do that. Okay, or don't change anything. If you write anything into the resume, that is the thing which you are providing to the company. Correct? The same
Yes.
thing go from first day to the last day of the company. Don't change it in between. Okay, because I observe some people did changes. Okay, sir, earlier my percentage was this. How come your percentage get changed? Right? Never ever. Agree?
Yeah.
So don't
Yeah.
do any changes because that will create a problem in the background verification. Because whatever you are providing, whatever is original, it get verified and then your offer letter will get released. Correct? And after joining the company also, after 3 months, within 2 months, 3 months, or any of the new client happen, that time also the verifications happen. Okay, so we will discuss about that also. Okay, and in the post interview tips and tricks, and we will discuss about all the things in the today's session. But before that, I would like to discuss, or I would like to take, or I would like to listen from you guys how they feel. Overall, I want to hear just two lines from everyone. Go ahead, please. It will be helpful for me. It will be helpful for the future students. Yeah,
Yes.
go ahead.
What's the question?
Ityo, the question is, how's your overall feedback in the last 3 months for me? Awesome is okay. I know you told awesome,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
excited, very good, excellent. But I would like to listen in the lines.
Yeah,
Use
I'm
ChatGPT, Vikas' favorite word, no?
Not ChatGPT, not ChatGPT, please. ChatGPT is only for codes. Yep.
Because I'll go first, okay.
Go ahead, Javed, please.
So good morning, everyone. So I have worked on AWS Infra initially, and then I called to Vikas when his batch 36 was running. So he told me to join that batch, but I was not available at the time. So I said I'll join 37. And my first preference was I asked him, just let me know if you will let me allow to speak in the class or not, because I have joined so many tutors and they will say we will ask you, like you can ask anytime anything, but they never unmuted us. So I just told him, if this is the condition, my condition is this. If you let me speak, then only I will join. He said, of course you will speak, and that happened throughout three months. And after that, DevOps parts like Kubernetes, Terraform, Ansible, these I haven't seen them before. Even when I was working in AWS Infra, so I was stick to console level only. Limited services like S3, IAM, EC2, RDS. But when I came here, so other tutors were just giving a high advanced level projects where I have joined others also and YouTube videos also, but I was not able to get that basic. What is the overview? The way he said the example, like he will give you some colony example, room example, or anything, but he will make sure that you will understand this first. After that, he will take you to the projects. So that was like nice to me, as like what I understand, he went like that. So I'm really appreciating him. He is way good in like teaching. That's all. Thank you.
Yes. That's good.
Okay. What about others? Anyone else? Anything?
Like,
One by one start.
It's your day, guys. It's your day.
Yeah, it's our day. Don't be shy today.
Yeah, please.
like, at first I was watching the YouTube videos, but I wasn't really getting it, you know. So I just typed, I think on November 20th, I just typed hands-on DevOps, you know, how to learn hands-on DevOps, you know. And I just saw Vikas. I just saw Vikas there, and I called him that day, you know. So he said, no, I think it was the day before. So his class started the next day, you know, so I should join, you know. So that's how I joined, because I didn't even know if I'll understand it, you know. But from when Vikas taught the class, he explained everything, he brought everything, break everything down, and I mostly like practicals, hands-on, you know. So I'm very satisfied with that. So I'm really very grateful that I contacted you and put us through, and happy.
Thank you, dear. Thanks a lot. Yep. Others? Anyone else?
So I want to go with now.
Hey, hi, Farad.
I remember.
Farad, I can say you are a very silent person, okay? Very less you speak, correct? But you are doing the practicals, I know.
Sir, actually, I have limited time from office to your class starting, but I'm trying my best. I try.
Okay.
So, actually, when I contact with Vikas sir, before that I contacted other 2-3 mentors, but I have never satisfied. When I talk with Vikas sir, I feel like some extra power, means like I found it, something like that. So, after all, I have some confusion what will happen, but when I start attending the class, I saw sir teach anything from the beginning to high level. Like nobody can be depressed. Anyone new fresher, he'll be happy. Who is experienced, he'll learn something that I like most. Because after this 3 months training, at least I got the strength that if I study couple days, I can crack a job. That I have that confidence that I got from Vikas sir. Even that's the achievement I got from you, and I'm very satisfied that now I have that confidence, because you know that I'm not from the any technical background.
Correct.
Even my experience also not a long experience, but now I have the confidence that if I follow your videos and read the PPTs, and especially I like that resume sessions, interview, those are very helpful. Within 2 hours you give us a lot of knowledge, so that is the most
See, one of the senior most person, okay, from the previous batch, he commented, Vikas, my 20 years of resume experience you cover up in 2 hours, okay,
true.
which I was not able to get it in the last 20 years also.
That's true. That,
Yep.
and in a short time, you clarified very nicely. That's the amazing thing. Very nicely. Within 2 hours, like you catch the issues within like 1 seconds. And whoever built the resume, you could not find it, but you just within 1 second you find it. That's amazing.
Not only me, everyone. Now everyone is like that, right? You can find out the mistakes. right? Someone, one of the person, he get a resume from his junior. He called one of my friend. He called him that I'm giving you some tips and tricks, but you have to go to Vikas class and he will teach you that things. Okay. He told your number is not correct. Okay. You have to plus 91. You have to change your email ID. You have to do technical is other part. First, your structure is also not good. Right.
That's very important because whatever knowledge I have to be very presentable. Otherwise, people not gonna call us.
Yeah. Obviously.
They look for the smart people first,
Obviously.
who is presentable. Then they go for the how the person is technical. So actually, you showed us very nicely. That's we are very appreciate to you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you. What about others? Anyone? Anything?
Yeah, I will start. I think everyone has joined from first day, and I joined on 24th of December. I think I followed Vikas from September or before that. Like
Okay.
I was attending demo classes and all, but I don't have office and that preferable time. So I joined from 24th December, and actually I remember correctly, I have missed only one class. Like
Okay.
and on Tuesday my meetings on scheduled on 9:30 and some part also missing in that. Actually, I worked from last 3 days on AWS, Python, Java-based projects also there, but only limited things I will do. And my past experience also only on that particular things like AWS, some services. But I never use Ansible like Javed said, that limited part is working. And MNC, actually, what the things
This is
is,
reality. Okay. We
MNC
can't
don't have
work in
give
everything.
access to overall project, like limited access we have. That's why we can learn how Terraform works, how Ansible, how actually in my project, like we have sessions on Grafana. And at that time, I got my project also use Grafana.
Correct.
That thing happened because we don't have overall project access, right?
Correct. And
And
see, Amit, I would like to say, or I would like to say, everyone, whatever we have learned this many tools, right? And
yeah,
I'm sure that you can't use everything into your company also.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And some people has expectation because can you put every tool into the one project? I told it will be very, very difficult. Okay. For you to manage because
yeah,
management also requires. Agree? What you guys
yeah,
says? Right?
yes, yes,
So that's why I've created a separate project, one for completely Kubernetes, one for completely CI/CD with Java based application, okay, with Jenkins, Docker. One is completely on the AWS cloud. It's your choice. 2 years you want to write for any of the project, or one year you want to write, you can make it, right? If I will make it single project, you can't write 6 years of experience in one project. That's also not correct, right? Agree? Makes sense? Yes or no?
yeah.
Yes, yes, right.
One of my friend got placed 2 years back in DevOps,
Nice.
and they are asking all these tools in interview, but only Kubernetes he is using from 2 years back.
That's 100% reality. Okay, it will happen for sure. It may happen with you also. Is possible.
Yeah, possible. Only for that particular technical things they are asking, or they are getting a job for that particular Terraform, Kubernetes, like, or any Ansible tool, Grafana tool.
Okay, correct. I agree.
That most of the four tools are enough in job, but we have to study all the tools for interview cracking.
Obviously,
For
yes.
the interview, everything is required.
Yes. For interview only required
Correct.
all these.
Like, but see, if we have a overall knowledge, our
Yeah,
overall package will get increased, right?
yes,
What you
yes,
say, Amit? Right?
yeah.
Because if you are very
Definitely,
limited,
when we are switching to another company, or maybe they are using another tools, that's why ये बेस्ट है कि आपके साथ सभी tools का knowledge.
that's required. That's a requirement is from the company. That's it. That's why I'm doing it.
You are DevOps people, then you have knowledge about.
Obviously, because you are the experimental people, you have to experiment into some new tools also.
Yeah.
I
And
agree.
some of the companies mostly focusing on troubleshooting, like you have done in maybe for surely you know about that error, but in the projects we are facing that issues and troubleshooting. That's I like most.
See, why
In
I'm
real
making,
time,
see, sometimes, I have a working code. Okay. In the night,
yeah,
I break the code because I
yeah,
want
that
to, correct?
yesterday on yesterday's project we have that and
Correct. No,
commented.
every
We
lot of
have
things. See,
answered or commented.
correct. See, I commented because I want you to see, read it at least. Correct. Some people
Yeah.
don't read it also because I'm facing the issue. You are facing the issue. Actually, read the code. Read where is the issue. If you reach into that place, you will find the answer. Agree?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, I agree.
And
The
sometimes,
troubleshooting part is most important in the real projects or real job.
correct. And in the evening, sometime I break the code and then I'm waiting for you to fix it. Especially because I want some interaction into the group. Okay.
Yes.
So sometime, and how much messages are coming? Acha, chalo, one more very important question, guys. If any of the question came into the WhatsApp group, how much time it take to resolve?
It's depend on the
Mostly 15 minutes.
Depend on what type
People
of
have time.
issue came.
No, whatever the issue, what max overall, you can say that 10 issues came and there may be chances one issue take 15 minutes. What about others? What about 9 issues?
They are also resolved in that 15 minutes.
Okay, everything in 15 minutes, I can average or less than
Yeah,
15 minutes.
it's less than that, like in
Less than sometimes.
less than, yeah, we can say.
Cool. Okay, yeah, means our what we can say threshold limit is 15 minutes to resolve any issue.
Vegetarian, meat, maybe diabetes.
Now, obviously, it depends on candidates, correct?
Yeah.
That's why I need interaction. That's why I want you to come up on the camera. I want you to talk. I want you guys to discuss. If you do that, people will help you out for anything. Correct? Yes or no? Cool. Nice. Okay. Cool. Anyone else? Anything? Anyone else want to say something? Okay, cool guys. If nothing, chalo, let's come up with another session. I'm just stopping this recording, okay, so that we can share this recording into the YouTube as well, okay, and with the new candidates. And let's come up with the interview tips and tricks. So that's a separate recording. I'm just stopping the recording and we will start it again. Okay, cool.